Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by locating the original video link and any mirror locations. This saves time when Terabox is not available. Once done, check file size and hosting type so you choose streaming versus download. Make sure you have a stable 5+ Mbps connection and enough temporary disk space. If an account or password is required, log in now. These steps reduce friction later, and they let you switch to the fastest delivery method without guessing. Now attempt a direct download using your browser or a download accelerator. This is fastest for full resolution copies. If download is blocked, stream via the embedded player or the platform's mobile app instead. Streaming avoids temporary storage. Once streaming starts, adjust quality to match bandwidth. If access is restricted, connect a trusted VPN or switch DNS. These steps let you reach mirrors and embedded links. Make sure to monitor progress so you can switch methods promptly. Finish by playing the file in a robust player like VLC or MPV. These handle partial downloads and corrupt segments better. Once done, verify playback quality and, if needed, re-download at a lower bitrate. If playback fails, clear cache, disable extensions, or open an incognito window and try again. Make sure to capture any error messages. They guide the next step. If problems persist, switch VPN exit nodes or pick another mirror. Usually that resolves the remaining access issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.